ene oba ahofefo bi ene eba betwetwe komo. My past contestant, Ghana Most Beautiful 2020, represented Ahafo region. Onwa eba Kumasi ha na Ashanti region ha. Nipa bebre enim no. Oye life coach, oye entertainment journalist, oye MC, oye entrepreneur, oye philanthropist. The last time na me no be din ko because no nti Ghana aduane no wodi bi. Ni pa me ne ba betwetwe nkomo ye frɛ no Abena Dapah. Abena.
Oh, Papa some mommy.
Akoma.
Disclaimer, me heavy.
No, I'm proud. Me say we need aduane.
Oh, why? Why do you think that way? Me dig Ghana aduane.
Who was it? Was it gonna be aduane be pan up?
Can you imagine say me peto?
Oh, really?
Yes.
And it's me new.
It's when I say that because my mom does it better.
Oh.
So the media ya na me pepper.
I see. Open there and then cut here.
And then cut here. The chicha jene gusto. Oh, it's very nice. My mother does it better.
Wow.
Mama ya de pa.
You say Ghana do have any only.
It's a local scratcher continent. So.
Wow. Aside that the baby open fufu.
Fufu de minji fufu. So I eat a morning kwai. Minji fufu.
Oh, my favorite.
No, I'm saying favorite.
Nothing about so we Ghana ni.
Oh, please.
Oh, Abena. Wow. Oh, munya. No, you're really doing great.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're starting common free. Ghana Most Beautiful.
Yeah.
2020. Ahafo region.
Yeah.
So why did you decide to contest?
You know, this particular issue is interesting. Now, originally, me beauty queen did that.
Yeah.
I saw na make Ghana.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Wow.
My pageants, baby. Na me Miss Ahafo.
Okay.
Miss College of Health. Second runner-up. Winner for Miss College.
Just say we have seen it. Oh, we have seen it. And one now,
my beauty contest. So I was tired.
Okay.
I know my brain.
Yeah.
And then one of my my colleagues, they call junior high school.
Wow.
A catcher me say TV3 forms. Me, I wasn't interested. Honestly, I wasn't interested because I say the pageants in Ghana is becoming one way and boring and all of that.
I understand.
And I didn't know what to do in my life as maybe at school. I don't know the way forward, whether I'm going to get a job or not. So, but then I give it a shot.
Okay.
Or 12 forms in my
oh, so only the 12 forms in the
month. I don't put in the 12.
Wow.
Canada, Deborah.
Wow.
Hello, Deborah. Thank you.
Debbie. Okay.
So Debbie na 12 forms in the mommy.
Yeah.
And on one kasasako jami.
Wow.
Akoma.
Wow.
Every interview. It was beautiful for the auditioning. Now, I'm also so bad. I'm also Bejina Emma Ashanti region.
Oh.
Yes. But so no, no.
Oh, I see.
But now it's on no.
No.
He's rooting. I mean, she was rooting for me. You know, I say, okay, me or her. I'm not gonna say. What's the name? The job. Let me also buy and try. So I'm not kind of not doing your homework. I mean, that's a very good friend right there.
Yeah.
So that's what happened.
Wow.
And then mommy, Akoma was beautiful. Yeah.
Oh, Debbie, that was what?
Yeah, I'm sure Debbie.
I'm sure.
Yeah, I'm so sure the part.
It's also in Canada.
Oh, Canada to
wow.
say. Yeah.
Debbie.
Thumbs up.
So, all present here half.
Yeah.
Why a half? I want now free an answer.
Yes, so I have spent most of my life in Ashanti region, me for basic school, me for junior high school. But interestingly, I have for me circle school, me first university, yeah, me course, me no BA and all of that, and me fee I have four. So I have so near Ashanti four. Yeah. So then a lot of people doesn't know. So when you say you are from Ahafo, a lot of people think that you're bununi. But also first nine in Ayobom. Yes, we all one people. But then Ahafos are Shanties. And see that me a carno. I was torn between say Mijnama Hafana, Mijnama Shanti, because me mami efi tepa man hini fi efi me mami fi tepa enti tepa hini ya me uncle.
I see.
Aha.
I see.
And me papa sisi fi Atrinsia, which is a
really?
Yes.
Oh.
Enti
Me father
wow.
Senior high.
Oh wow.
Yeah.
Right now?
No, that was then a long time.
Oh, I see them papa ne be who more. Yeah, because my father was also
I think it's a woman.
Oh, then that's
yeah,
great.
So it's been
my father my father will be able to. So that it was a regional either some regional for region and I say Ashanti region. But unfortunately I grew up in a Hafo. A house na me and Kofoni me hospital and all of that. Kumasi so Ashanti region, I had to me coast. So it was actually a very difficult one for me. Because the part Ashanti region, me mama chrome so. My papa chrome so hold on woman. So what do I do now? So I mean I took the chances now make call a happy region. Yeah.
And God being so good. Wait a second.
Yeah.
What is the or let me say what was the biggest lesson when you're free Ghana most beautiful?
A lot
share with me.
But before that I will urge each and every one if you can to experience Ghana's most beautiful. So I dream because self really count. Maybe I won't have been disappointed.
Okay.
I love to take chances and to explore as well because should be told. I have to say in I can you go back up and really.
Of course.
What the show team say? One in
because it's true.
Because
you can be disappointed.
Exactly. Because you're going to meet beautiful ladies, intelligent ladies. And my time I had beautiful and very intelligent ladies. So it was a very tough competition. And here we are. I mean, one lesson to be disciplined. Ghana's most beautiful. I'm my Obesima.
Okay.
When I talk about Obesima, yes, Sebio, try and but then you know how to carry yourself. You get it. You know how to carry yourself. You know when to talk. You know when to do certain things.
Sure.
Manners maybe. What did they say now?
Of course. So
when education. Yes. So the home is actually a honor being our BBAC, but then Ghana's was beautiful. That 3 months they're very vigorous. You're going to see new people, so you have to behave and all of that. And it is shaping you, your thoughts, your mind, the way you do your things, the way you even eat, the way you approach. Because you know you're coming to meet well polished ladies.
Exactly.
Sebi in class some kakao when you so cry now back. Yes. So may I encourage each and everyone that you take your time to experience. If you're looking for one of the best pageants in Ghana, not open so who because Ghana was beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow. It was a nice experience.
Very nice experience.
In one word. Experience, in just one word.
Hectic. It was hectic. What one made most beautiful?
Because you need to learn.
You have to learn
every episode.
You have to. So when I see pageant girls, and I tell them that if you're going for pageants are at the end of the day, when you're done, it will shaping you.
That's true.
It's not always about the fashion. It's not about the beauty alone. You can get all the votes, but and we are looking for queens. People that can represent the TV3 brand and represent them well. After so we are people are still looking at you. And interestingly, it is one of the pageants when you're done, people still tag you with the name. You cannot go away with it.
Of course.
I'm in Kofano Teaching Hospital as a medical person. And sometimes when I get patients coming at me, they are not all but no, I think they will say, Oba hospital, Oba Kase will hear TV so I would not go negotiate was Oba Kase. Me say, Yari now, they buy no. Ni refuse was beautiful. I said, no, because we said, what job at all? I mean, it's interesting. It's a nice experience.
So,
yeah.
was beautiful.
Yeah.
Not that time, now, Juma. Oh,
No, so during was beautiful. So maybe come was beautiful. Not maybe my service.
okay.
And that
Right from uni.
Yes, maybe my service. Maybe my service. A giant in them. We don't know what we're doing. So I picked up the chance, and they picked him at me, and then that was it.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. It was beautiful, yeah, there.
Most beautiful idea. If I TV3 idea.
So after the competition, how's life been for you? The world, friends, family. Now where you working at? Like, how has it been?
You see, I believe in process. Many of you make say life is a process and it's a journey.
Sure.
And one of the things you can't skip is a transition. You have to transition from one place to the other.
Sure.
When I was going to Ghana's most beautiful, it was a lot. It was tough. Things were really tough. And honestly speaking, I don't know what to say. But life is a journey.
Sure.
So obi means say obi baba be penny be our society be you will not disrespect certain people.
Of course.
But you know, we are in a country where people want to know you after say what achieve you, and that is when people want to come at you.
That's true.
But say transition with the people at your lowest. You know, say you're coming from somewhere,
Sure.
so you will act accordingly. Overbrown what say when you're being you get it. So it has been beautiful at the same time. I mean, a learning curve for me.
Yeah.
Sure.
So how do you maintain confidence and self-worth in today's social media?
Me a confidence that
I know.
My voice was very tiny, so I used to be teased and bullied a lot. You see,
that's a
now my voice is better. It's way better. I remember my parents taking me to the hospital. No more than your be. But it's like that in the family. When you listen to the ladies like that, but with the confidence there, as I said, I took this in because one way or the other, all confidence in it. Obi so when they say so you get it.
So we misinterpret. Yeah.
Yes. All kind of confidence. No be someone that say
That's true.
All kind of confidence. No be someone who say what's a kumasi or kasebi guy. But I mean that is you.
Yeah.
You are just being yourself.
Of course.
But my confidence, I just doing my day. Me said I'm filming one video media so I'm just calm, collected and just watching people from afar and that's all.
So have you ever doubted yourself? Say, they will meet me and have you ever doubted yourself?
In any way? It's scary. If I say I would do something, my parents keep telling me, so in my house, me my friend me lucky ba. And mom Abena Dapah, your Abena Dapah, they know so why you born in both name. But when they mention my name, I'm friend me lucky ba, and I say Berima. Because that's my house name.
Oh, okay.
Abena Dapah. I was named after my grandmother, and to me, grandmother being in a different me. I mean, doubt say that because whoever it is, I believe in God so much that I know I can never fail. Until Mama heard Ghana's most beautiful, I had a slogan: God no be shame us.
God no be shame us.
Yes, I mean doubt say that. Me more crying when him said me to me, but still. You'll never see in my PC say I'm scared. No. Because
so but in life, there are times when difficulties come. So how do you motivate yourself when you are caught up in such situation? Difficulties.
You come honey, if I need to be so. Me motivating me, my tongue swinging up.
Whoa.
Yeah.
And our skin does yes. We are the best our skin. No, but honestly, which one is skin? You see that skin?
Don't forget, if I tell you some of the things, I mean, me national service, not me tone force kakra, and I know say nurses link of for hunting, I may say pam your kind of scrubs.
Oh.
I'm a science embroidery. No matter what.
We are breathful.
Oh, me a breathful. The thing is that.
So we are that the BB.
Oh, me and Kasano. It's not about the DB Krasema. And you many parents next night. Also, now me wa hafo. So my parents had to bring me to Kumasi. Now me get no be to school.
Sure.
But don't say at that time, my parents didn't. Not that time phone or holiday, but not time you really active, sir. And see, you're not going to be treated right. Only because now you're moving day, but I start to be corrected. But me, I didn't have a very good feel with me. Pana, yeah, they may brand no say, so I wasn't enjoying. But now me papa discover me at the but day I remember papa no that day I'm going to be neatly dressed, eat well, and all of that. But papa, I come back.
Yeah.
So I had to hustle. So me, I hustled. But now my parents didn't tell me hustle her. Because even when I say it, they won't believe it. Because the person was treating me right in front of them anytime they come to visit. So now it's tough. But later they got to find out. Yeah.
Yes, shift to Kakrambra.
Sure.
Now we're medical lab scientist or CAT, right? And also the same time bay and how is the experience?
Oh, the experience has been amazing. I've always admired people in quotes when I was young. So becoming a medical lab scientist, it was actually a dream and it actually came to reality. I remember going to senior high school because I have so many talents. So my parents didn't know which course I should do because I can act, I can sing, I can do so many things.
You can sing?
Yes. I can. So, and then even my school is still using the anthem I re-edition. Yes.
Okay.
They are still using it for a very long time. My school is still using.
What school is that?
I went to Atrinsia Senior High.
Oh.
Yeah, Achi School.
Oh, one of the best schools.
So far, I was and I said, "Oh,
no, I know.
Thank you."
I told you, not my father radio, so I know.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh no, what kind of family now? You're living us. I mean, your school is just small. Yeah,
I know.
That'll be small.
Yeah.
It's been amazing. Yeah.
So, being a beauty queen, how did they treat you? Like still, like that kind of feel. Are you being treated as such? No.
Maybe a fellow mama.
I know. Yeah.
And the thing is that I have amazing people I'm working with. They understand me, sir. And Sebio, Labo Ninkwana. So they encourage me, they support me. Sometimes I have to go and MC, I have to go and do this. I have to call my boss, Mr. What if I make sure time when they need to name back? And I say, they'll put me at a comfortable shift time.
Exactly.
Like it will not affect the work. What I say, because the fact that you are a queen doesn't mean I treat the job as my swear and oath to save people. Yeah, I swear, and I mean my swear oath may save lives and all of that. So I have to respect that. So when it's work, I do my work, and it's always fun. I mean, not a single day would they go. If I'm not talking about Ghana's most beautiful, sometimes I get tired. It's like, can we just work? I mean, can we just work? We saw you. And interesting, sometimes over a program, and I'll be a voice over my branding, be now more born the radio, so they know. I don't know. They know that it's my voice. Can we just work? But it's been amazing. It's fun sometimes, and sometimes I'm feeling a bit but then I can't run away from that. Yeah, it's been amazing. I have amazing people I'm working with. Yeah.
That's nice. Now talking about having an amazing team. Was it last year or last 2 years? And we had donation now or chair Dianyama. Was it on the street?
I do that a lot. So last year Kwame.
Okay. Yeah. So that's under the Abena Dapah Foundation.
Exactly.
Foundation. So GMB lab scientist foundation. why Abena Dapah Foundation?
Yes. So I started this foundation back at 2014 when I won Mr. Haffle. And so, I mean, I needed to do something.
Oh, so it was before Most Beautiful?
It was before Most Beautiful.
Oh,
I've been doing this for a long time. So, yeah.
Wow.
I've been in the beauty industry for long. Yeah.
Wow.
Since 2013. Yeah. Since 2013. So, I mean, it's been there. So, I call orphanage homes. Now I born called for Kakra by the help of people. Mimi here more to say. Oh, you okay?
Okay. Probably me okay.
Oh, you okay? When I'm saying oh, you okay, it's not about money.
I know, right?
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's not just I mean all of that.
I know.
Yeah. So the foundation came about. I mean, I developed this idea to carry my name and my father's name along all the time. And see, I started with Abena Dapah Foundation. We are helping people. We are doing what we can to pay school fees. I have some beneficiaries. Ibimo Ellison Senior High School.
Wow.
Ibimo Sowo University of Energy. And then Tia Mas. We have some of these people that I do take care of them. And Tia, Meno Katekra. But yeah, it's been amazing. I love to help people when I can and when I have. Yeah.
Sure. And I know, say, Eddie, like sometimes when you be cry, you have to reach out to people, support you. Do you have do you have people who support you?
I say
in all your projects.
If I say I have one person that supports me, I'm lying. I believe that anytime being a maybe better and God brings different people to support certain agendas, okay? Many in that will be also because I feel like be now. No one say nipa when it done is so be kind of disappointed.
So, yeah, that is true.
When I put something out there, I tell God and the Holy Spirit to bring people to support. Say a very good supporter, a bebwa will be there. Then that means God should bring someone to also help. Because
Wonderful. But honestly, you are really doing well.
Thank you.
Recently, was it last week? Yeah, you started your school tour.
Yes.
So tell us about it. School tour, is it basic school, senior high school, tertiary?
Oh, so the school tour, no. First of all, a baby card that TV story near Akoma, so Masi. The attendant say school tour, no. Abena Dapah, me na mafato me who say yes, I once now need be crying or if I'm not able to use my position as a queen, because once a queen, always a queen, and not just about the queenship. I'm somebody that always loves to impact. I love when I'm doing something right for someone, and I believe that when we are trending for the good reasons, it helps in society, you know. And so I decided that why don't I bring up something to get people closer to connect with, to empower them.
Okay.
So we are doing junior high schools, senior high schools, and tertiaries. The reason being that you want to say 3 phases of life where most people pass through, right? Nipa no ko just as one kokrampa or baby or beko SHS. Or we SHS nimpo na say you want to me and baby ko we have beko SHS or beko tertiary. So these 3 phases, you know, so a lot of we have to look at that. Now empower people through that. And so about JHS, I talk about the JHS. I talk about some of the essential problems with JHS near the may call senior high schooler. Now maybe just as a seminar culture will say, your old self is telling me that I should come and tell you these are some of the problems they are facing. And right after SHS, we will soon be tertiary. We are making say and so I'm always trying to remind you of your old self. That is why we are doing the junior high school, the senior high school, and that of tertiary.
Wow.
Yeah.
So far, how many schools now? What started with?
Yeah. So far, I've been able to reach out to 8 schools. Yeah, 8 schools. Yes. And we have we were able to record about 610 students. Yeah, on mobile program now.
From the 8 schools.
From the 8 schools.
610. Wow.
Yes, 610 students. Yeah, encounter, and it was so beautiful.
I saw the pictures.
It was so beautiful. I wish you were there.
Yeah,
it was so beautiful.
Maybe I didn't see me quarantine moment. I wasn't able to come. Yeah, I really wanted. I no manager can say, and I wanted to come around, but
Charlie,
the next one there, So which schools are we going to after the first one?
Okay, so now I have the first 8 schools maybe. So now you can see a lunch. So man will say, yeah, there is a program. See a lunch area. Abena Dapah school tour. It's say, you know, the schools are even calling us to come because and you're just going to the school. We believe in impacting. So what I did was that the first 8 schools now you share made the speakers ever on board. With the likes of Professor
Salinko.
Yes, Salinko was part, Alo Madra was part. Also Professor Dr. Frances Dufie or Esquire.
Yeah,
also by I mean on Kolani Kasa about sexual harassment and also a very she's very, very good and she's into also criminology and stuff into all of them share their stories with Nkolano, and you'll be surprised some of the things that you experienced over there was so beautiful. I was saying my parents, they're afraid to talk about it. So we need someone that will be able to talk about certain things with them. So we share so many things and Kolano very so and it was beautiful that Ghana Education Service were almost so they were present and they loved the program. Yeah.
So if I say you started this whole project,
the challenge has always been finances, okay? Because I didn't Sebio said me I could go down to the logistics wise and even going around manager for higher program education service. We're moving to schools, giving them letters. We're looking for sponsorship to help us because the first 8 schools in Nigeria, by the grace of God, in your accident in my products, I face so in your instant mix or more than I going to say we are kind of saying cocoa beverage. You're serving Kalani now with breakfast. Yes, it was so beautiful. We gave them a lot of things, bowls, and we wanted to encourage them. And because of the hours now and new agency, we need to keep them grounded. So we need financial support. We need products. We need schools. We need so many things. A bit me about my supporting other different schools. Yeah. Yeah.
What legacy do you want to leave?
This is beautiful hearing this. You know, I always want to be remembered as one of the women that was able to stand in grounds, to motivate, to educate. I love education. When I talk about education, it is not just about formal education, but I always aspire and encourage people to say, wait to me and you should be able to read and write.
As a young woman, I know there are young ones who look up to you. What message you have for our young girls out there? Our mafao as role model and our show is Abena Dapah who say we see what Ghana is beautiful. What message do you have for them?
Let's be truthful to ourselves. People might not like what I'm going to say, and others will also like it. So I do get messages all the time in my DM. I like you. I want you to mentor me. I want to do that. You're my role model. The first role model you can ever have are your parents.
Okay. Yeah.
First role model. Yeah,
of course, that is true. That's true.
Yeah. So I keep saying that before you can pick somebody as a role model, look around you. If that person is a perfect role model you want to emulate? What is that one thing about me that you admire? Maybe what you admire about me, somebody hates it.
Of course, that's true.
So I keep saying that you have to be yourself and choose your role models wisely. Because we can be nice in front of the cameras, but then after the cameras, maybe we are different people altogether. So you have to be very careful when you're choosing a role model. But I also say that, nevertheless, you have to also get a role model. I was telling my mother something. Me can't fear no BS. My manager will always be laughing. Me catch her. Almost say, "Me niya brepa pese me ba. Me ba first role model." And say, "Me pese me ba se bi a ocean ne crowd da unhuni da. When you be a TV show, TikTok baby, social media, Mommy, I want to become this person." No, I should be the first point of
course,
personal.
Exactly.
Making me inspire. I'm living my life in a way that my child will be proud of me.
Exactly.
To say that my mother is my role model. Because my role models not quite outsiders too much.
Yeah, that's true.
You try saying enough, you better live a good example. I'm not within a circle. And also very proud to use the mother or the father's role model. And for Brian, you use your more as your role model. No, I won't knows it. Shall my honey crowd.
Exactly. And all that, and then.
I'm not saying that using me as a role model is not good, but then I want you to find yourself. Exactly. I want you to do what you love and be a better person. Yeah.
So, what are your last words? I'll say, "Okay, Ghana for Obia Abena Dapah Foundation."
So, thank you so much. And what I want to say to everyone is you have to be kind. I tell people that are around me that they have to be kind and generous. If you're not kind enough, you will not be able to do so many things. One shot or foundation will be crabbing your bros can be obedi because so doing say and anything we are doing is for God and for the country. So the two teams say you want to leave a legacy, or the two teams say you want to help someone all the time. No, you always want to do more. That is me. What is the next move? Where are we going? What is this? Sometimes I say my manager say, I'm pressuring people to do things because I feel like so I'm well be now you'll be any that so.
Of course.
I hate to disappoint people. Then also disappointing me, but even this time you'll be any that something. I'm very careful when I do that. But more will be if you can. Let's support somebody, let's support a child, a woman, an old person, whatever. Within your power, because you don't know when you're leaving the world. And always remember that mercy and in castle. So if you have the chance, help. Unless you don't have the means, but if you have the means, help somebody. You are the reason why God brought them. So, yeah.
If you have the chance, help someone. Now share with us your social media handles.
Okay. So when you go to Instagram, it's official Abena Dapah. When you go to TikTok, it's official Abena Dapah. Everywhere it's official Abena Dapah. Kindly follow, share, comments on my posts as well.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Belle.
Truly.
You've really caught me off guard today. I don't remember the last time I did an interview like this. It's been years.
Wow. Well, and I love it.
Honestly,
you are a proof of beauty and intelligence.
Thank you.
So then who says you're a gun and says you bet
hey, I told you the beginning of your baby, mommy, apart from me, mommy. Oh, really?
You're crazy. Wow, it's been.
And I have to say thank you to you because you've been amazing. Reaching out to my man, he's been telling me everything, and it's beautiful. When I saw it, I'm like, oh, thank you for helping us. And I'm missing sure.
On share one so. No. Yet tired. Yet you we are supporting you. We're supporting you. You know, most of the times when you see people, you know, doing something, they see your food, they are playing piano.
Piano, yeah. Obi also a piano. Friday so see no. Obi in piano quotation. Sister home, but Obi I just so see. Yeah. But we continue piano.
Thank you so much for watching us, and it's been an interesting one here.
Thank you.
My guest was Abena Dapah. Miss Remu, Abena Dapah Foundation. Let's all support her. And on the social media handles. Do you have any contact? Maybe you'll be support her.
Yes. So if someone wants to support us with school bags, uniforms, products for our school tours that we are doing. Interestingly, we are hoping to reach out to about 50,000 students in Ghana.
Okay.
So we person boy, yes. So we person boy, obetemi Afrey and obetemi WhatsApp on 0240 57 6
near 3 2.
Very good. And I say 0246 75 2021.
Numbers no the big screen so said the
Sure.
So support Abena Dapah Foundation. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Going to meet again. I go by the name Baford Akoma. I'm loved to be called Kwesi Bellucci. We out.
Peace.
Akoma FM 87.9 Kumasi.